Hey there, Casey Dimon, TaxSaleAcademy.com with a quick tip for you today. Today's quick tip is to understand that some auctions will require a deposit prior to being able to bid. Now, in online auctions, just about every single one is going to require you to have some sort of deposit on file before you can even click that bid button. Now, many in-person auctions, you place the bid, you win that piece of property, you go and you give them your deposit. Online auctions are completely different. It's, again, just about all of them will require a deposit ahead of time. And it's very important that you strategize that deposit correctly. Because, for example, a lot of times that deposit might need to be able to cover 10% of the purchase price. So, if you're planning on bidding $10,000 on something and you only have $800 in your deposit account, then you won't be able to bid on that property. You can at least only bid $8,000 on that piece of property instead of the $10,000. So it's very important that you strategize correctly. And it can even get a little bit difficult, especially when you invest in multiple counties and they all require deposits, and some of them might take up to a month to actually return that deposit for you after the auction concludes. So make sure you think about this well and ahead of time and make sure you strategize correctly, especially if you're running tight on funds. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket and wait for that deposit to come back, and meanwhile you miss 2, 3, 4 other auctions that you could have bid on instead that maybe had better properties. So think about this ahead of time if your county requires a deposit prior to bidding. Make sure you strategize correctly and take it into account. Guys, that's all I've got for today. For more information on tax sale investing, head on over to TaxSaleAcademy.com. Again, that's TaxSaleAcademy.com. Have a wonderful day, folks. Take care. Bye-bye.